Welcome to week 2. This week we're going to do our very first peer review, which is a big component of the course. You're going to peer review each other's Project 1 outlines and draft thesis statement. So keep in mind that these are just drafts. We're at the very beginning stages of Project 1. So we're going to learn how to do peer review using these initial documents, and we're going to keep doing peer review as you continue to draft for Project 1, Project 2, and Project 3. But starting off this week, you're going to read a document called How to Be Helpful During Peer Review, and then you're going to take a little quiz about it. The purpose of this reading is to let you know what I'm looking for with peer review, which is really quality feedback. It's important to me that you guys give each other feedback, that you are useful to each other and helpful to each other. So in peer review, you're basically all in this together. You're here to help each other out to get better grades. There's not a certain number of 4 points that I give out per semester. That's just not how this works. So I don't want you to feel competitive with one another. I want you to feel like you can help each other. So you're going to read this document and find out how to do peer review and also how to maybe not do peer review. So hopefully that's useful to you. And then you're going to start your peer review on Tuesday and Wednesday, and I'm going to put you into groups on Eli Review. And then on Thursday, you're going to do a reading called Building an Argument, from thesis statement to outline to paragraph. So you've been working on your thesis statement and outline, and then I want you to take these things and then start to construct your essay with paragraphs. So this gives you sort of a color-coded way to do that, of how your thesis statement should be organized, how that organization should show up in an outline, and then how that outline should structure your essay. So we're moving from these smaller components to the bigger essay itself, thinking about organization and structure all along the way. And then by the end of the week, I want you to start drafting your first draft for Project 1. That's a 2.5 to 3.5 page draft. You can take this outline that you've been working on and just start writing in paragraphs using that outline and structure, or you can just go ahead and write your 2.5 to 3.5 pages referring to your outline in a separate document. But it's okay if I see the outline in this initial first draft. Lastly, there's a discussion forum that is up for Friday, but feel free to add to it anytime this week. That's questions for me about Project 1. So as you're starting to work and you're like, I don't understand what Casey's asking me to do, drop a question into the discussion forum for Project 1. It's called P1 Questions for Casey. And I will regularly check that. You can also email me as well. So have a good week, and good luck on your first peer review.